Akshathraj from PSBB School. I am from SP Robotics, Puducherry. I am making a money bank from beginner level. I used battery, Bluetooth controller, motors and 2 gears. Working model of my project. Thank you for watching my video.